The world needs a reset. We all need to look at the things that we can do to make life more with quality, not quantity.
The water here is phenomenal. It's full of life.
Turks and Caicos is exceptionally beautiful.
When you come here, you really are engaging with something far greater than just the beach.
They say small is beautiful, right? And I really believe that.
What makes us extra special is the people of these islands.
Here, everyone is connected, the relationships with people, the formality, the directness.
When you arrive in Turks and Caicos, you can feel that you are accepted, and you realize that you're in a place where you can relax.
When people come here, I hope that they recognize that downsizing is a good thing. That they let go of some of the things that are weighing them down and free up themselves and live a more basic lifestyle.
Get out there and explore. Our waters are second to none. Snorkel, learn to dive.
Visitors are looking for a great experience. Not only beach and sand, they're looking for that great experience. Grand Turk is our cruise capital. We have a farming in North Caicos. We have dining in Grace Bay area. We have whale watching in Salt Key.
Turks and Caicos has the third largest barrier reef in the world, so there's a lot of life around here.
Fishing practices here have always remained traditional.
There are no compressors, there's no big mechanisms or large trawlers. It is very much a relationship between that individual and the marine environment.
Someone asked me, where are you from? I said, I'm from Turks and Caicos. Oh, where is that? So I had to explain that we are southeast of the Bahamas. It's an hour and 20 minutes from Miami. I said, oh, okay, we need to get down there.
With connections from all major cities across the US, you can have breakfast in New York and be on the beach here in the afternoon.
I think we're a small destination, which is very important, and you feel special when you come here. You don't feel just part of the masses.
You can feel as if you're in your own zone of the world when you're here.
When you look out, you see that beautiful water. It just energizes your spirit. I just feel I can light up the whole world with that.
You have a beautiful ocean that plays its own music just to show us, just singing. When you go back, you recharge, you're ready.
We want this country to remain the way it is. The way it is very charming.
When you come here, what you get is authentic culture. You don't get the culture that is made up to fit the tourism. You get culture of the people who live here.
For the visitor who comes from a busy, fast-paced life, having an opportunity to refresh, just relaxing, this is the place to come.